Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to download and install Ethernet drivers for Windows 10 and Windows 11. I'm currently using Windows 10, but this should also work for Windows 11. First, what we're going to do is to open up the device manager. To do that, we right click on the start icon or the Windows icon and click on device manager. Other ways to do this is to click on the search icon and search for device manager, or you can also right click on the start icon again and click on run, and you type in dev.mgmt.msc and click OK, and the device manager should open up. Once you have opened the device manager right here, we click on the network adapters, which is this one, and we click on this little arrow beside it to open up the drop-down menu. From here, you should be able to see your Ethernet adapter. It is usually Realtek PCIe like this one, or you might have Intel or Realtek Ethernet adapter. So you have to know the name. It says Realtek PCIe GBE family controller. And what we're going to do after we took note of that is to search for it on Google. Once you have searched it on your browser, you can click on the first search that is from an official source, so we can click on it and visit the site, and here we can download the adapters. You can also do this on your mobile phone or other device if your computer is not really able to connect to the internet, and you can just download the file there and transfer it to your computer through USB or Bluetooth or other transferring methods. And once you're here, you can just scroll through this one and make sure that there's versions right there and read the description so that it should be compatible with your Windows version like this one. There's for Windows 10, Windows 11, and just click on the download button beside it. You can also check the model number of your computer. If it's from Dell, HP, or other manufacturers, you can visit their websites as well and download the Ethernet adapter according to your computer model. And that is how you can basically download and install Ethernet drivers for Windows 10 and Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.